The centre has denied political clearance to Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann for his visit to Paris to support the Indian hockey team at Olympic Games. An official source said on 3rd of August, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann spoke with the captain of the Indian hockey team. CM Mann said that he wanted to go there to encourage the team, but he was not given political clearance. He was planning to attend the quarter-final, but the centre said he cannot go. He will not be able to go there, but he is still with him. That's what Bhagwant Mann said. We'll play out some reactions for you. At the moment, what we are picking up is that the Chief Minister of Punjab spoke to the captain of the Indian hockey team, and according to the information that we are getting, Bhagwant Mann has said that political clearance was not given to him. He was planning to attend the quarter-final, but the centre did not allow him to go, and that otherwise he would have been there with the team to encourage them to support them. The centre has denied political clearance to Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann for his visit to Paris to support the Indian hockey team at the Olympic Games, citing security reasons. Now, Bhagwant Mann spoke to the captain of the hockey team, said he wanted to go, but permission for the same was denied. So no clearance from the MEA for the Paris trip of Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. Security concerns have been cited. We have Amandeep joining us on the broadcast with more details. Amandeep, what are the reactions that you're getting? No clearance given. Centre is, according to sources, citing security concerns.
Well, absolutely, Swati. But Bhagwant Mann and Aam Aadmi Party is blaming political allegations against the centre government and the BJP government for not allowing Bhagwant Mann to visit and watch the hockey matches of Paris Olympics. And even what we are given to understand from our sources is that when Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has applied for the permission to go to the Paris to watch the matches, there were some security concerns that has been raised by the Ministry of External Affairs that in a short time period security cannot be arranged in such a heavy crowd in Paris Olympics. So the reason the permission has been denied. And in fact, on the other side, Bhagwant Mann, while talking to the hockey players over the phone, he said due to some political reasons his permission was denied and refused by the centre government and Ministry of External Affairs, due to which he will not be able to come and watch and raise the confidence level of the hockey players. So this is how it has been turned out and panned out. But so far, the Bhagwant Mann's visit to Paris Olympics has been cancelled due to security reasons, as per sources in Ministry of External Affairs. Yes, Swati.
All right.